Thar Desert lies in the southeastern part of Sindh, and the major source of income for people here is agriculture and livestock, both activities that depend largely on the supply of water. The government and non-governmental organizations are in search of a solution for 2,359 villages in Thar. Residents in many villages have to trek 5 to 21 kilometers to gather water for everyday use. Some 70 kilometers away from Mithi town, in a village called On, an NGO working on rural development and water facilities. Thardeep has successfully established and introduced a new power source based on solar power for irrigating land and providing drinking water.
ये सब्जी असां वटि हिन ड्रिप एरिकेशन ते मूं लॻायो आहे, जंहिं में वॾो असांखे इन में फ़ाइदो आहे। छाजे करे फ़ाइदो आहे जो असांखे भाण ॾियण में बि सहूलियत, त पाणी जो बि असांखे वॾो हिकिड़ो बचत आहे।
Where we installed this system in order to give the livelihood options for the local people. And the total cost of this system is 1.2 million rupees, in which 20% cost is being borne by the community in the shape of labor and the construction of water tank and the excavation of dug well.
Residents of this village are also using water from this new system for drinking along with the cultivation of crops.
Local growers have expressed happiness over provision of new technology power solar system to helping them for irrigate the land efficiently.
Thardeep is the first organization which has moved towards eradication of poverty and has tackled the scarcity of water in the area. Experts at Thardeep have started conducting experiments to restore rainwater to increase production of crops and productivity of industries, leading to higher yields and higher profits. CEO Thardeep Dr. Sono Khangarani has started the unparalleled services, meetings with the poor people in far-flung areas of Thar to create awareness among the people, suggesting them on how they can survive during the drought and how to increase their income from rainwater and livestock. The artisan well located in village Somo Samu in Khokhra Par near the border with India has brought happiness on the faces of poor Thari people, as this well continues its flow of sweet water with the discharge quantity of 3 lakhs and 80,000 gallons per day.
But this has been, gushing since last 5 years, and there's a rough estimate from the data that we had from the internet, from the similar experience, that it may gush the same speed, water may gush from the same speed for next 20 years. Particularly when we talk about Tharparkar and area like this, water is the main reason to get back the community back into their villages and promote their livelihood, which is livestock. If they have the water, they will have the livestock and they will have the economics. They will have the economy going on. What the government can do is really look at this experience, and they have to investigate further, and maybe they can have investment in the same line and have more water in the villages, and they can really promote the economy of these areas.
This is one of the remote areas where drop of water is precious for the Thari people in Nangar Parpar. Women are still making the efforts of fetching water from the 600 feet deep well with the help of ropes and donkeys. The government should take steps to provide basic facilities of water in Thar area like civil society organization. Qurban Ali Kush, Dawn News, Nangar Parkar.